How to get and use Healing Totem in Hytale. So Healing Totem you can get from Arcanist Workbench if you click this area and this first option. You will need Essence of Life, Thorium Inuts and Greater Health Potion. If you want this health potion, you need to create Alchemist Workbench, tier 2, and here is the Greater Health Potion. Also, there are some ingredients what you need. So if you got all resources, you can craft it, and you need only one healing totem. Also, you can, for example, craft 2 if you want to. And now I'm gonna show you how it works. So I'm gonna turn off my creative mode, and I got here my healing totems. And all you need to do is to just left click, you're gonna throw it, and it's gonna create this area where you will be healed. So as you can see, if I got hit, in this healing area, I'm gonna get healed. But as you can see, only one can be used at the time. So you don't have to create or craft multiple ones. It's very useful in combat, but that healing effect, it's not that big. So maybe in the future we will get some improvements. Also, it not last that long. So it's gonna heal only a few healing points. It's much better if you are using Healing Totem and some food to healing process. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.